ready?
Yeah. 20 seconds. Same again, Rhiannon.
Yep.
Nice and gentle.
Is that what that was?
Ish.
You ready?
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Watch the merge. Keep tight on exit. For a square left and a hairpin right. Then you go on square right into square left. And a square left into a square right, tight.
Oh!
Whoa! Very tight. Square right into square left, very tight.
That was close. Maybe spun it then.
Did you? Keep wide on the exit, open chicane. Should I clean your window?
Nah, I'm clean this side.
Okay. Open chicane. Keep right after the bill for a square left. Into a square right. Into a square right. Into a square left. Then we're going left entry, single chicane, and keep right to the split. Keep right at the split. After the right, you're a right entry, triple chicane. Right entry, triple. Nice save.
Thanks.
Then just do the track. We're going left entry, triple chicane. Watch the merge.
Oh! Got caught out.
You're clear. Keep tight on exit for a square left. Square left and a hairpin right. Then we're going square right into square left. Then we're going square left into square right and watch the mud. Then square right into square left. Very tight. Keep it wide on the exit. Open chicane. Keep right after the bill for a square left. Into square right. In a square right, in a square left. Left entry, single chicane, and keep right at the split. Keep right. Into right entry, Triple chicane. Follow the
Get
track.
on your horn, get on your horn.
Left entry, triple chicane, watch the merge. Watch the wheels too.
Thanks. I've knocked the mirror in.
Tight on exit. Inward square left. And a hairpin right. Then a square right into a square left. Oh dear, we have a broken.
Yeah.
Square left into square right and very muddy.
This one's particularly tight.
Yeah.
And it's getting really muddy on
Square
exit.
right and square left, really tight. Keep wide on exit. In open chicane. Keep right after the mill for a square left. Into a square right. Into a square right. Into a square left. Then we're left entry, single chicane, and we're splitting to the left. Splitting to the left. Split left for finish.
Oops, did he?
Woo!
I've had it off.
Not enough.
I've had it off.
Will we get wrong for that?
I'll probably get it wrong for that.
Oh dear.
We maybe pushed a little bit hard then.
Did you? What did we get on the last? What was our last time? Do you remember? I should have written it down, shouldn't I?
Yeah, probably.
Yeah, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55. 7:24. We got a 7:08 this time.
7:08.
Well, you only did one wing mirror this time.
Yeah, try to be a little bit wider.
Oh. Will you get a penalty for it?
Maybe. I might be a bit naughty there.
Why does the car keep doing that?
Putting it into gear.
Thank you.
Thank you. Has he put anything? Or has he put the same time as we got?
7:10. I tell you what, I'm pressing the button at the yellow marker and it must be the red marker because I'm always 2 seconds out.
It is the red mark, Rhiannon.
Oh, okay. Well, I did ask you that the first time. Yeah, so it's got the same as us. There's nothing on it. With that when they put on it like.
Tyres were starting to go off there.
Hiya! We've been reseeded. Thank you.
What did he put? Just our next start time.
Yeah, 11:36. We've got a little bit of a break now, haven't we?
Yeah. The car cooled down.